please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Important news flow coming through. The Supreme Court was to deliver its verdict in the Nirbhaya case, and we now have been notified that the Supreme Court has refused to flinch. They have confirmed the death sentence awarded to the 3 convicts in the Nirbhaya rape case. They've rejected the review plea of these 3 convicts who were on death row. And remember that the Supreme Court was hearing the review plea of 3 of the 4 convicts in this case. So the 3 convicts, Mukesh, Pawan Gupta, Vinay Sharma, have received the death penalty. Let's go across to our sister channel, CNN News 18, for the latest.
Now, in its order, a 3-judge bench presided over by the Chief Justice of India, it has held that there is a very limited scope of review petitions, not that the entire case cannot be re-argued. And this attempt by the convicts in this case has been rejected by the court. Court said that they have failed to make out any ground why the Supreme Court should re-examine its verdict, why the Supreme Court should reconsider the death penalty against all the 3 convicts. Saying this, the bench has said that because there are no material grounds, there is nothing to show that there was an error apparent on the face of record, which resulted into injustice to the convicts. The 3-judge bench today dismissed the review petitions, affirming the death sentence order for all the 3 convicts who have filed this review petition.
What was the argument that had been made by the convicts in their petition?
Arunudha, in fact, there were 2 sets of petitions. One filed alone by Mukesh, one of the 3 convicts. He said that he was not there in the bus itself on the date of occurrence. He was not there on where the incident occurred, and that the police has extracted his confession under coercion, under force. He said that he was tortured in the custody and that the police tried to also attribute recovery of various materials onto him, which was a false implication. On behalf of the other 2 convicts, Vinay and Pawan, it was argued that they were juvenile. They were also juvenile on the date of the incident, and that their claim of juvenility has not been dealt well by the Supreme Court. They further said that recovery of certain materials on them, all those things had been planted. They have been framed in the case, and that only due to public pressure and media pressure, Delhi police wanted to somehow crack the case.
All right, well, the Supreme Court verdict is out, and, you know, Nigel, this would be closure not just for Nirbhaya's family, but really for a lot of people who have been following this case extremely closely. And I mean, this is something that has evoked quite a response actually across the country, and the Supreme Court actually now coming through and pronouncing the death penalty.